The last startup I did is a company called Intense Debate, and it was a Techstars company that I joined after it came out. And it was, I first thought it was a dumb idea. It was very simply a comment system for blogs. And so people used to write a blog, and that was that. And then you tack on our software, and all of a sudden people could comment. And it probably sounds silly to you guys because that's the way the web works now. Well, that's why it was a good opportunity, because it didn't work that way a very short time ago. So we wrote this software, and actually it was a bunch of very clever, smart engineers, and I was offered the opportunity to join them as the business guy. And so I started thinking about, hey, this is a dumb idea. How are you going to ever make money? And then I went home and I started dreaming, or I'd be surfing the web, and I'd like, well, you could put it here, you could put it here, and you could put it here. So I saw tons of application for it. And then I started thinking about how to make money with it. And this is before I joined the company. And what pain is it solving? Okay. Well, the first thing is there's a few different pains. Okay, what we told publishers was you write an article, you're going to get commenters that add content. So your actual cost of content goes down because you're going to have a lot of user-generated content. It gets a little better because users are adding content and engaging this dialogue in comments. They're actually really engaged, okay? And that's what advertisers love. So you write an article, Joe Schmo arrested for drunk driving, happens in the Daily Camera. Actually, a good example is mountain lion spotted in Boulder, okay? It happens all the time. And you'll get, immediately somebody will comment that says, shoot the damn things, they're endangering our kids. And then you have somebody that says, we live here because we love the outdoors, got to learn how to live with them. And you'll get this debate going on. This is an example where the content between those commenters is not that great, but the engagement is super high, right? So they just write a simple article about mountain lion Boulder, and all of a sudden they get this dialogue of people that are passionate about it, okay? And the reason why the Daily Camera loves that, they can sell ads against that. Super powerful. It's so increased their user engagement. And it gets even better because, the Daily Camera, and that's a newspaper, but blogs and magazines and all these guys, we all know that they're struggling and ad rates are low. So we can double or triple our ad rates by having people really engaged. We give them free content that people add. And the third thing is, so if I comment on the mountain lion story, and I also comment, I'm a biker and I'm a skier and entrepreneur, and I comment on other things around the web using Intense Debate. I comment on entrepreneurial blogs and I comment on Boulder-based blogs. Actually, Intense Debate, the company, can learn a lot about me. So when I do go look at the mountain lion article, the Daily Camera knows who I am. They know where I've commented before. So they know articles that deeply engage me, biking. So they can show me a biking ad, okay? Buy a bike at U-Bikes, 10% off, okay? This is an incredibly more targeted ad than the Daily Camera ever could have shown without Intense Debate, okay? So it took me a month before I accepted the job. I was shown the idea, and my first reaction was stupid, and after 3 weeks I was salivating because I thought everybody that publishes anything needs this. There's 3 value adds, 2 of which are really important to them. And a fourth I didn't mention is buzzword. Everybody likes to have an engaged community. Everybody wants to build a community on their site. Clearly does that. So the pain that this is solving, increase ad rates, increase revenue, increase readership, increase engagement, right? 4 things that they care deeply about. Now, do they care about all the little features? Like one feature that we did is called reply by email. So you don't have to go to the website to comment. If you comment something, you'll start to get emails, and you can just reply the email to comment to somebody else's comment. And what happens is that doubles the amount of comments because everybody lives in their email client. And so you don't go visit the blog to see any comments. You just kind of get in this discussion through email. Pretty trivial idea. I don't know, maybe it was kind of cool when I first heard it, but now in hindsight, I think everybody does it. The point is, the Daily Camera doesn't care about the product features in terms of how that works. What they care about at the end of the day is it solving their pain? Is it increasing their readership, increasing their content, increasing their engagement? So you talk about this feature, in terms of their pain, right? Implementing this reply by email, we're going to double the amount of content you get put on your site.